All right, hey everybody, this is John, and welcome to the free video. And let's dive in here and take a look. So we got options expiration, specifically monthly expiration. One of my favorite trades during monthly expiration week is JP Morgan, and not because it has these great moves, but because it doesn't do anything. So this one I'm looking for a $100 pin, which means you can sell the calls and the puts at the straddle. Make it an iron fly so you have protection, and it's about almost a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio if you do it $5 wide, which is kind of fun. A honey badger trade that I like here quite a bit is Restoration Hardware. You can see that we have got a big ol' squeeze setting up here. We got the mid-level buy. And in addition to this chart, the daily squeeze, there is also a 4-hour squeeze, and then the 2-hour squeeze fired off. So if you look at the 4-hour squeeze on this one, it's really good looking. So this is one of those things where I look at, you buy any pullbacks you can to the trend line or buy breakouts. But the idea is that we go up and retest the highs, and I think we can push through those highs. And if we did push through those highs, the question is what would be kind of a reasonable expectation of a move? And what you look at there is just the 1272 fib extension, give or take. I think this will be close enough. That would take us to like 428 bucks. So certainly seems like a stretch, but if you get into the November options, it gives you time to hang on to that. So that's one of my favorite trades here. And then got a lot of questions today about GLD. Is this a good time to get in, et cetera, because there is a monthly squeeze on the dollar, and it looks like it's going to fire short. But the way gold works is that you're going to have big runs like this, and then what's going to happen is you're going to flush everybody out. And it's a little cleaner on the gold futures, but I actually am looking for new lows in GLD, and then I'd be looking to pick up some leaps starting on June. Calls, because I do think ultimately that we're going to work our way to new highs as the Fed has no choice but to expand its balance sheet. All right, and then for the rest of the week, just be careful. We've had our run to the upside, I think. I'd be very, very careful with long calls on things like the Apples and the Amazons and things like that too. And if you do have directional trades, certainly close them out and roll them out further out. But we're looking at the rest of this week being premium sucking, meaning that premium part of your option is going to get sucked into people's accounts. So make sure you're get that theta and that premium in your favor. Or if you are trading long calls or long puts, close them out and roll them forward so you don't get caught up in that. All right. Have a fantastic rest of the week, and we'll see you at the next update.